What's up, y'all? I got here with me the Oakley and Meta glasses that have smart recording capabilities. They have Meta's AI and a bunch of new features that I'm excited to check out. So let's get this unboxed and let's see what's inside of here. So right here we got Oakley and Meta. We have HSTN. Actually, I don't even know what that stands for. Okay. So we got another box inside of a box. Kind of like Apple's style packaging. I love this. This case is actually pretty cool. I don't know how you open it though. Okay, it's like that. It's magnetic. Very strong magnet, I will say. We got the glasses inside of here. If I could get these out. Wow. Okay, and then I guess that's the charge light indicator showing that the battery is pretty low, I guess. And then here are the glasses. Did I smudge those or did they come like that? I don't know. Anyways, here's what we got. It's actually pretty cool. So we got, oh, it's already playing music right off the box. Let's see. Let me put these on. Whoa. There's like a bunch of haptics going on. Okay, so there's a blue light there. I guess that's pairing mode, so I have to pair it to a phone. So let me pair this to a device. All my devices are being used for recording. So, interesting. Let me see if I could do this on my computer. I just paired it to my Mac. 60% battery. Okay, now what? So we got, I'm guessing this is a microfiber cloth. Okay. Got the Oakley and Meta logo on it. We've got some sort of booklet here. Power switch, capture button. That's for taking photos. And then we have the camera there, of course. Right there, touchpad. So the touchpad is D, so I think I could, I don't know what that's doing. It's making like a clicking sound. Wait, that's playing music from Spotify on my computer. Then if I press it, it stops. Okay, then double tap will skip to the next song, and then triple tap will go back to the previous song. And then swiping changes the volume. Okay, that's exactly how most other headphones with a touchpad work. Then we capture LED. Of course, we gotta keep those so people know when they're being recorded. We got the speakers. Speakers actually sound pretty decent, I will say. Like, I'm not mad. Like, they're not AirPods quality, but they're actually really usable. Oh, there's microphones here. Okay, we have microphones here. Looks like we have 4 microphones. Five microphones. And then we have a notification LED. Okay, so that's that. So that notifies us when like the device is on or off or when it's in pairing mode. Oh, and they allow you to put prescription lenses on here too, which is actually pretty cool. For anyone who wears glasses, this is really, really helpful. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We got probably a safety and warranty, and we don't need that. Who needs that? Okay, that's it. And what else do we have in this charging case? That's it. Okay, so it looks like it just magnetically attaches there. It's pretty sick. Okay, so apparently this thing, it requires you to pair it to a phone to actually use the photo and video features. So I'm gonna have to take one of my phones that I'm using for recording and pair it with that. So let me be right back. Okay, finally have it paired after like 10 minutes. I had to download the Meta AI app and pair it twice. Like, I don't know why I had to pair it with Bluetooth and then pair it again in the app. But finally we have it set up, and all the videos are actually, they get imported through the app as long as you connect it to your phone. Now, I kind of want to see how the videos and the photos look. I want to see the quality of these. Let me see if it's actually any good. So let me get this recording. Let's check this out. I heard it's a 3K camera and 12 megapixels. Is actually pretty damn good for a smart glasses frame. Like, to fit a big camera like that, not a big camera, but like a really strong camera, pretty impressive, you know? Okay, now let's end the recording. And then right there in the app, it automatically puts the recording there so I could import it. So let's import that. Okay, no, it's gonna take a really long time to import. So I'm looking at the recording now, and it's actually pretty damn good. Like the audio quality is really good. It comes through the glasses, and from what I could hear, oh, I just played my music. From what I could hear, it's actually really damn good, and the quality is like on par with an iPhone camera, I would say. Like this is really good. And the Meta AI is actually really damn good. I was actually playing around with it earlier. Hey Meta, what is the fastest marathon time in the world?
The men's marathon world record is 1 hour 59 minutes 30 seconds, set by Sebastian Saw of Kenya.
I don't know if that came through, but pretty damn good. And apparently there's some features where it could tell me what I'm looking at. So let's try that as well. Hey Meta, can you see what I'm looking at right now?
You're looking at a workspace with a computer monitor showing 10:06, a keyboard, a phone on a tripod, and another phone on the desk. There's also a second monitor partially visible.
Damn, that's actually pretty good. It took me like 4 tries for some reason, but yeah, I mean, that's great.
4 tries isn't bad.
All right, you're done. Meta, shut up. So there we have it, the Meta glasses. And actually, I'm excited to use these. Like, these are pretty sick. I mean, the battery's actually not too bad. I think it could be better because right now it's on 50%. It was on 60% when I started this video, like 20 minutes ago. So the battery drain could be better, but I mean, it's really hard to fit a good battery in these small frames. So, however, they got a battery this good, pretty impressive for what it is. Now, if you actually want to make immersive videos where you have these POV views and you want to have good audio quality, decent battery life, to get some features like playing music and asking Meta AI if you have any questions, like for an all-in-one package, that's actually really impressive. And I think for the 300 and something dollars that I paid for this, it's definitely worth it. Catch you guys in the next one.